Here are some tips and tricks on keeping your hanging baskets full and gorgeous all season long. So start with a good slow release hanging basket fertilizer that looks like this, and every time you water it gives a little bit of fertilizer to your plants. Really important, make sure you keep your hanging baskets well watered. If they dry out, make sure you take them down and bottom water, soak them in a bucket of water until they rehydrate. Make sure you deadhead your flowers, and you can pinch back at the same time if they're getting a little bit leggy. Some other tips and tricks you can use is a kelp foliage spray. I use a very dilute version of this every 2 to 3 weeks, which I also water into my hanging baskets. If you have fish tank, a freshwater fish tank, goldfish or any freshwater, you can actually use the fish water when you change your tank as a dilute fertilizer for your hanging baskets or any of your annuals. So that's pretty cool.